Hi, today is another recipe from It's Halal. If you'd like to try a box, then I will leave the link in the description with the discount code. And in here we have all the recipes, ingredients that we need. And take everything out. And you can start off by cutting up your vegetables. You've got 1 parsnip, 1 carrot, a few small potatoes, and just cut 1 lemon in half as well. And for the chicken dressing, you need 2 tablespoons of oil, some Dukkah spice, black pepper, sprinkle salt, and juice of half a lemon. Poke holes on chicken breast on both sides using a fork, and you can pop it in the bowl and give it a good mix. In an oven-proof dish, pour in your vegetables that you've cut, drizzle some oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. And place your chicken breast on top of the vegetables, and this will go into the oven for 30 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Now for your dressing, melt some butter in a pan, and you need 1 garlic clove, which is minced, half a teaspoon of paprika, some chili flakes, parsley, but discard the stalks, you just want the leaves only. Juice of half a lemon. Increase the heat and give it a good mix for about a minute, and there you have it, that's your dressing done. My favourite part of the meal was this dressing because it complemented the dish so well, and I love It's Halal because it always teaches me new recipes, and it was nice and healthy and you're using all natural ingredients, and it was really nice. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye!